Next one is for the bear. The bear frolic is hold up, hold high, dragging down, and then more like you heel up, you press the toes, especially the big toe. The bear play or bear frolic is for the spleen and the stomach energy refreshment. The spleen channel is from the big toe, inside the leg, inner leg, up, all the way to the side of the rib, called 大包. So this up and heel up, hand down, this will stimulate the spleen channel, the energy up to the 大包, the open. So then you drop down, massage the belly. Stomach channel is from the front, both sides of the leg to the second toe. So when you go down, you massage, help your digestion. Okay. Then side way you can see a little better. I will bending, a little bit stretch the leg, let go, and unlock the knee, the hip, pull back. Okay, one more time. High.